All right, heading to Kansas. Welcome to American Roots. Gassing up for our trip to Kansas. Gas is $3.55 a gallon for diesel. We'll see. We'll see what it's like in a year after an election. Anyway, this is Northern 43rd, leaving Phoenix, heading to Kansas. I didn't see a Ferraro for a while. Right. Hi everybody, first day back to the property. Marshall's up on the Cat, putting some coolant in it. Just getting things started. We had a good storm last night, so checking out where some low spots are on the pad. That'll be Jessica's garden out there. Clean up these trees. This pad looks really good. I'm actually really happy with it. It's nice and solid. Seems level-ish. And then we have the other pad for the shipping container. So shipping container will be on this one, blocking the north wind. That's facing east. This is south. The house will be here on this pad. Looks great. Other than that little divot right there, but it's fixable. And this is our new force multiplier. Nice. There goes Marshall. Got a bunch of rain last night, so the pond filled up. It's the fullest I've ever seen it. We can drive on the dam and go over to the other side. Well, buddy's having a good time. He wants to come back in.
Oh, you ready to come up now? You kid? Come on. There you go.
Sweet, what'd you get? Bad boy Magnum?
Yep.
How many inches?
54.
Sweet.
Hey, baby.
Looks good.
Hey, baby.
Did you drive it up? Or did they push it up?
No, he drove it up.
Oh, you might be on the stump. Is it easy to drive?
Yeah.
All right. You want to shut it off? We'll go get some gas.
Never done this before.
This is great.
She's just like me, got a smile on her face. Come here, come on.
by Murphy.
Alright. So just drive it without the blades on for now. Get used to it.
Smells hot.
You just pull back and stop.
Getting it pretty good. And then if you want to cut grass, just pull up on that lever, the yellow one. Ticks falling out of my hair. I just had another tick in my hair. Murphy. Murphy. Good thing's hauling.